Have you ever looked at someone and thought, they just look confident, effortless, powerful, but you couldn't explain why? This is not just about clothes. This is about identity. This is about how people see you before you even speak. And today, everything you think about dressing like an American is about to change. Because it's not what you wear, it's how you wear it. And most people get this completely wrong. Let me tell you a story. There was a person just like you, confused, scrolling online, watching videos, trying to copy outfits. Jeans, hoodies, sneakers, everything looked American. But when they wore it, something felt off. Something didn't fit. Not the clothes, but the feeling. They looked in the mirror and thought, why don't I look like them? And that question, it hurt. Because deep inside, they believed something was missing. Confidence, style, maybe even identity. But what they didn't know was that the problem was never the clothes. It was the understanding. You see, dressing like an American is not about expensive brands. It's not about copying celebrities. It's about one simple idea, comfort with confidence. But no one tells you this clearly. And that's where the struggle begins. At first, they tried everything. Tight jeans, uncomfortable shoes, heavy outfits. They thought, maybe this is fashion. But every step felt wrong. Every movement felt forced. And people could feel it, because when you're not comfortable, you cannot be confident. And when you're not confident, even the best outfit looks weak. But then, something changed. One day, they noticed something simple. People in America dress simple, very simple, but still they look powerful. Why? This is where everything changed. They stopped copying, and they started observing. Loose t-shirts, clean jeans, simple sneakers, light jackets, neutral colors, nothing loud, nothing forced, but everything intentional. And suddenly, it made sense. American style is not about showing off. It's about feeling right. But what happened next, no one expected. They tried again, this time slowly, step by step. They picked a basic t-shirt, soft fabric, not too tight, not too loose, just right. Then jeans, clean, well-fitted, no heavy design, no distractions. Then sneakers, simple, white or black, comfortable, easy to walk. And when they wore it, something different happened. They didn't feel fake. They didn't feel uncomfortable. They felt normal. And that was powerful. Because for the first time, they were not trying to impress. They were just being themselves, but better. And this is the secret most people never understand. American style is built on 3 silent rules: comfort, simplicity, confidence. Say it again. Comfort, simplicity, confidence. If you miss even one, everything breaks. And here comes the real challenge. Because knowing this is easy, but doing it, that's where people fail. Because your mind will tell you, this is too simple. This is boring. This is not enough. But that is fear talking. Fear of not standing out. Fear of being judged. Fear of being invisible. But here is the truth no one tells you. Simple is powerful. Simple is clean. Simple is confident. And the people who understand this, they don't chase attention. Attention follows them. But wait, there is one more thing. And this is where most people completely fail. Fit. Not too tight. Not too baggy. Just right. Because even expensive clothes look bad if the fit is wrong. And cheap clothes look amazing if the fit is perfect. This is the hidden rule. The silent difference between looking average and looking confident. And when they understood this, everything changed again. Now they didn't need many clothes, just a few good ones. A clean t-shirt, a good pair of jeans, a hoodie for cold days, a jacket for style, and sneakers that feel like walking on air. That's it. No stress.
No confusión. No overthinking.
And slowly, people started noticing, not the clothes, but the energy,
The way they walked.
the way they stood, the way they smiled, because now they were not hiding. They were not pretending. They were present. And real confidence is always visible. But here comes the biggest turning point. One day someone asked them, "Your style looks good. How do you do it?" And for a moment, they smiled because they remembered the struggle, the confusion, the doubt. And they said something simple. "I stopped trying too hard." That's it. That's the answer. Stop trying too hard. Because style is not about pressure. It's about expression. And when you feel good, you look good. Always. So, if you are watching this right now, and you feel confused, if you feel like nothing looks right on you, if you feel like you don't have that look, listen carefully. You don't need to change everything. You don't need expensive clothes. You don't need to copy anyone. You just need to understand yourself. What feels comfortable? What fits your body? What makes you feel calm, strong, confident? Start there. Build slowly.
Trust the process.
Because this is not just about dressing like an American. This is about becoming someone who feels comfortable in their own skin. And when that happens, everything changes. Your walk changes. Your voice changes. Your confidence grows. And people feel it without you saying a word. So remember this. Style is not about clothes. It's about you. Say it again. Style is not about clothes. It's about you. And when you understand this, you don't follow trends. You create your own presence. Now here's my question for you. What kind of person do you want to become? Because your style is your silent introduction to the world. Choose it wisely. Start simple. Stay confident. And never forget who you are. If this made you think, if this helped you see things differently, then stay with me. Because the next video will change the way you speak English with confidence. And trust me, you don't want to miss that.